Hello everyone, this is Bachelorent, a smart rental and part-time job platform built especially for bachelor student and university student in Bangladesh. It is a full-stack web application built using React.js on the front end, Node.js and Express.js on the back end, and MySQL as the database. Let me walk you through all the features of the platform. Basically, you see the dashboard here, the main dashboard, where you can see that there is a search option where I can search by the city's name like Dhaka, Chittagong, and select. And below we can see that how Bachelor works. There is a tutorial like step one, search and filter, view and apply, and move in and work. There are mainly three steps here, and you can see the latest properties like listed properties here. You can see the more details about here by clicking it, and also the part-time jobs listed in this website, and also their description in by clicking the apply now option. In the top you can see that there are two options like login and register. Let's register where we can see that there are three options like there are three roles here, like tenant and students, rent provider and employer. We can select any of them. Let's say we want to open a tenant site. First of all, I want to give a name. Okay, I have to give a mail and a password. Okay, here shows that I have to give a 6 digit. Okay, my profile is created where I logged in as a tenant. This is my profile. Here I can see that my name, my email, my role, and the profile information. I can change my password here. So let's go back and you can see that the tenant dashboard where I can see that we can see that there are four options like application, shortlisted, hired, and save properties. We can see that how many applications have been given and how many I have shortlisted, and if I got hired, it shows here that how many I got hired and how many properties that I saved. Here I have two options like job application, save properties. I can see that how many application I have done, how many jobs application I have done, and how many properties I have saved. I can also see the properties. I can filter here by giving the city's name, like selected the cities, selected the properties, is it single room or shared room or flat or subnet. Also, I can give the minimum rent and maximum rate that give a range of what I am looking for. I can also select the gender and say the furnished or unfurnished. Furnished, and also I can see the details here like the provider info, the amount per month, is it flat or the third floor, which floor it is, how many rooms, how many bathtubs, maximum how many persons can live here, and the gender category and from which date it is available. And also I can see the a small description that provider give, and also see the amenities. I can give inquiry about this property that can that the provider can see later. I also can save the property like if I click here, the property will be saved. Also, I can see the listed job here like with the deadline has been passed, so it shows here I can apply now here, and also see that who listed it, like their information, deadline passed. If the deadline not passed, I have a option here, and I also can filter the listing here, like categories. Am I looking for tutoring, data entry, or delivery, customer service, etc. And also select the location, which location I am looking for, the part-time job, and the minimum salary. It will give me a filtered listing here. I can also see that application, my application here. Okay, this is the basic things that I provided in the bachelor and for the tenant. If we log in as a rent provider, where we can see the rent provider dashboard, where I can see the total amount of properties I have listed and how many are approved by the admin, how many are pending, and how many are inquiries have happened by the tenant or the bachelorette. Here I can see that the listed property that I have been listed, and the information I can saw it, and I can also delete it from here by clicking the delete option. If I want to add some new property, I can add it by fill up the form here that I have given, like title, property type, rent amount, city, area, thana, and full address. All the information I have. I can also choose files from my device and submit here. After submitted, it will go to the admin panel. If the admin approves it, then it will be listed in the main dashboard, where the tenant can see it. Basically, this is the option by what will see the rent provider. If I log out and log in as a job provider, here we can see the dashboard of a job provider, where he can list the jobs, and all the things are same, like total jobs they are listed, or how many are approved and how many are pending, and total application. You can see the details of the application that I have given here, and I can also put new job here, like by uh, giving all the information, and submit it for the approval. Basically, the same for rent and the job provider. When they submit it, it will go to the admin side, and then if the admin approved it, it will be verified and listed in the main dashboard. Let's log out and go to the admin dashboard. Let's log in as an admin. Here we can see that there is admin panel dashboard, where we can see the total users number, properties, jobs pending, review, application, inquiries pending, properties, and pending jobs. We can see the overview here, like review pending, manage users. If we click the manage user, we can see all the information about the user. If we want to deactivate any user, we can do that easily from here. And we also see the inquiries here, because there is no inquiries, we cannot see it. Pending listing, there is no pending listing. we approved all of it. We have the option to approve here from the pending listing, and we can also see a platform health, how many are active users, verified users, and approved jobs. Basically, it is a we can handle all the things from the admin panel here, and we have this type of options in the admin panel like pending listing, users, and inquiries. So we can also edit our profile like change password and other information like full name, phone number, and also choose the profile pictures from here. And basically these are the things and the roles that I have given. Like we have four roles type the bachelors, mainly the tenants, and then the rent provider, then the job provider, and the admin. These four are the main users of Bachelorent, and their dashboards are different from each other, and they can provide many other things and see according to their roles. So this is the Bachelorent website that we have designed. Thank you.